Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and discussing Roofus Ribbit from Clucky's Logic, created by Gametoons. Roofus is an anthropomorphic frog, characterized by his purple and green coloring, large tongue, small arms, and oversized legs. He sports a green and black cap and a single green and white sneaker, which add to his distinctive look. However, there's a darker side to Roofus's story. Clucky's possible shady dealings with the almost chicken seem to amplify Roofus's hunger to a disturbing level. Clucky even goes so far as to promise Roofus as a meal to the player, exploiting his voracious appetite. This manipulation introduces a sinister twist to Roofus's otherwise comical persona. In Gametoons' latest video episode, Clucky announces through the intercom that for his second challenge, the player must retrieve a missing token from the arcade room and return it to the prize counter. In the episode, Roofus Ribbit is shown using his long, sticky tongue to hit the token machine. Roofus's ability allows him to catch the player from a distance with his tongue. Despite this, the player manages to grab the token and escape. Interestingly, Roofus doesn't seem as intimidating as characters like Jaxon, Jackyl, or Polar Prince. A humorous moment in the episode is Roofus's apparent vision problem. He fails to catch the player even when he was still within his reach. This adds a light-hearted element to the otherwise tense challenge. In the second episode of Clucky's Takes Over Gametoons, Roofus Ribbit makes an appearance. The veteran is seen searching for his friend, the player, and Mr. Cheese, but becomes increasingly hungry. He stumbles upon a bucket of chicken in his desperate state. As he is about to eat the chicken, Roofus, who has been drawn by the sound of the waterfall, appears with his red, bright eyes. Roofus, starving after running around the restaurant, snatches the chicken with his long, sticky tongue and devours it in one bite. Roofus then says something like, "Roofus was like you, Roofus likes almost chicken, Roofus eats you too." The veteran, frightened, tries to escape while Roofus twists his tongue in an attempt to catch him. Roofus ends up smashing the token booth in the process. The veteran hides behind the prize spin wheel, which Roofus hits. As a result, the veteran is awarded 25% off on soda. Drinking the soda grants him super speed, allowing him to run circles around Roofus, who becomes dizzy and eventually falls. In Clucky is Not a Monster, Clucky, Polar Prince, and Barney rescue Roofus from Jaxon Jackyl, who had demanded 100 buckets of chicken for Roofus's release. In Clucky Buys His First House, Clucky steps down from his leadership role to start a family but later returns to defeat Jaxon Jackyl, who had sought to take over and imprisoned Roofus. Finally, in The Dark Origin of Clucky, the evil angel praises Clucky for killing his brother and introduces a new group of mascots who all worship Clucky, ending with the message, "Hail Clucky." I hope you liked this video. Please comment below on which character you'd like me to draw next. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.